Hello, I'm Ralph Munoz and I'm the Service Center Manager here at Antari. Today at Antari Tech Tips, we're going to show you how to prepare your machines for proper storage. Step 1 is to use the Antari C-300 pump cleaner and protector. It comes complete in the kit. First step to cleaning your snow machines is to run some distilled water through the unit. Set it to 100% and start it. You'll know when you have enough water through it when it's no longer producing snow at the other end. Use the Antari C-300. Conveniently comes with your hose. Install it in the inlet of your machine. Set your machine to 100%. Give it a quick burst of 1 second and wait. Wait 3 seconds, give it another burst of 1 second and wait. Turn off your machine. Your machine is now protected and ready for storage.